Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. Today I want to share something that happened to me on September the 22nd. I wasn't planning to bring the message out, but the Lord put it on my heart and I must release the message now. On September the 22nd, early in the morning, I woke up and I heard the sound of a telegraph. The sound was coming from the inside of my bedroom and I tried to figure out where the sound was coming from or what was making the sound, and I couldn't figure out. The sound, it sounded like a message of great importance, and the message was coming out very fast. So I tried to look and see if I could find anything that can match the sound that I heard, and this is what I thought it sounded like. So that was the sound that I heard, and after assessing and trying to figure out what it was, I came to a conclusion that it was from the Father. I felt like he was trying to give me a message. And then I remember that something similar happened to me. I can't remember the day, but I heard the sound of drums. At first I thought there were some lyrics to the sound, but there was no lyrics. It was only the sound of the drums. I felt like my heart was beating with the sound, and it was like this funny feeling, like my heart was like beating with the sound of the drums. And this is how it sounded. So that was the sound of the drums. I believe that the message of the sound of the telegraph, it's that something big is coming to humankind. And the sound of the drums means that we need to wake up. We need to prepare for what is coming. And on Romans chapter 13, verses 11 through 13, it says, I say this because we live in an important time. Yes, it is now time for you to wake up from your sleep. Our salvation is nearer now than when we first believed. The night is almost finished. The day is almost here. So we should stop doing things that belong to the darkness and take up the weapons just for fighting in the light. Let us live in a right way, like people who belong to the day. We should not have wild parties or get drunk. There should be no sexual sin or any kind, no fighting or jealousy. And that's what's written on Romans. So we need to be prepared. We need to be ready because anything can happen anytime. And yeah, thank you for watching and God bless us all.